Okay, a very good morning to everyone. Thank you for attending today's session. So basically for today lab session, we will try to address lab. It should be lab 8 lah. Sorry, lab 7. Okay, so lab 7, 1 and lab 7. Week 7, lab 1, week 7, lab 2. Are you able to hear me? Is that okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. So the for attendance, basically for today's session, once you submit, I will take your attendance lah. So you have to submit lab 7 through EBWise. Okay. So I haven't shared my screen. Okay. So lab document. There's no lab 7 yet. So let me just share lab 7 document. Here. 7. Okay, so you can access it at Microsoft Teams. Okay, lab 7, week 7, lab 1, week 7, lab 2. Both we try to address for today's session. Okay, so later on you have to submit. You have to submit 2 lah packet tracer file. Okay, for lab week 7, lab 1 and week 7, lab 2. Okay, so it's actually a practice for your lab assessment next week lah, right? So next week, we gonna have this week 8 lab 1, set 1, okay? And week 8 lab set 2, okay? Both, okay, consists of 10% of your assessment. So once you have done this, okay, so perhaps later you can also start to prepare for lab week 8. Okay, so this one will have assessment. It's kind of similar but much higher difficulties compared to lab 7, right? So as usual, you can open your packet tracer. Okay. So today, lab week 8, lab 1. This is lab 7. Right. So for lab 7, basically, you have to configure this ACL. I don't think you will take a long time to finish up the lab 1 itself. Okay. Maybe lab 2 will take a much higher time. Okay. So you can start with opening lab 7. Okay. So here you can also check your result. Okay, so you just have at least 2 lah that you need to configure. So close this first and just follow lah, right? First thing first, it says that this is to configure and apply a name standard ACL and verify the ACL implementation. But to start with, you need to make sure that everything is working lah. So how you can do the pinging, or perhaps you can just use uh, this icon lah. So this is PDU, sending PDU. Okay, so you can start say that PC2 to web server Okay, if it's failed, try to double click. It should be successful. So at the beginning, everything should be successful lah. PC2 can send to a file server. Okay, double click, successful. And then PC0 can connect to the web server. Okay, then also PC0 can connect to file server. Okay, PC1 can also connect to the web server and also the file server. Okay, and then each and every PC also has or able to communicate between them lah, right? So once you confirm, okay, it says that verified connectivity, step 1, all 3 workstations should be able to ping to web server and file server. So now we have already shown that everyone has the capabilities of accessing any of it. Okay. Then you need to start to configure this lah. Configure the following name ACL on R1. Okay, so you left hand click and go to your CLI of your R1. Okay, and just this one, if you wanted to make it much simpler, you can just copy this. Okay, and then you go to your R1, then enable configure terminal, right? Okay. Then you can paste it, right? And then continue the second line, permit host 192.168.20.4, right? And also permit host 192.168.100.100. Okay, deny any. So basically, by doing this, we expect that 4.20 is 20.4 is PC1 and 100.100 is web server. So supposedly you can able to access, see here, uh, and then you can show the access list. Okay, show, and then you end and show access list. Right, so that's the thing that you can see. Okay, so you have permit host 20.4 and 100.100 lah. Other than that, deny. Okay, and then you need to apply the name ACL to your fast internet 0/1. Okay, just follow lah. I don't think you have any obligation over here. Just follow, because even the interface is already being fixed lah. Okay, so how do you go to that interface? First, configure terminal, and then you go to interface lah. Interface FA0/1. Okay. Okay, then you just copy this lah. Copy, and then you paste it here. Right? And then save. How to save? You put an N first. Right memory. Okay, so this one will save it. Then I think this is the last part. Implement, use the shows list command, show run and show IP interface. Okay, you can type the show run. Okay, can scroll to the bottom. Okay, so access list over here. Okay, so you have your access list, right? And then you can also show IP interface. Show IP interface FA0/1. Okay, so this things that related to interface FA0/1. You can see that internet address is here. Okay. Outgoing access with the file server restriction and inbound access is not being tested. Okay, so then to confirm, okay, it says that you should be able to ping web server. All three station, okay, can access to web server, but only PC1 and web server should be able to ping to file server. PC1 and the web server. Okay, so firstly PC2 to server, web server, then PC0 to web server, then PC1 to web server. Should be successful, right? Then you can test also PC2 to file server. This one should be failed because we already blocked that. And then this one to this one also should be failed, right? And finally, this one, PC1 to the web file server should be okay, right? And also from the web server to the file server should be okay, right? So that would be on the first part. So I just let you to finish up this, right? And then if you have any question, do let me know. And maybe in 5 minutes time, okay, so we can move to the second part, right? If you have any question, do let me know. Okay, it seems that 6 out of 16 have already done. Okay. So please continue with the lab 1, right? I just want to move on to lab 2. Okay, so you can again go to your Microsoft Teams. Under the file, you have week 7 lab 2. Okay, so open that week 7 lab 2. Okay, so this is week 7 lab 2. Okay, same thing. Or before that, let's see either we have completed uh this lab 1 first. Okay, check result, assessment items. So done. So it's okay. Then we can move to the second part. Okay. Configure extended ACL scenario 1. Alright. So basically again they have already configured this. Except that you need to make some changes to comply to the scenario that been given lah. Okay, so just again go to this, okay, and R1, okay, CLI, and then start to enable, and then configure terminal lah. Then it says that start with access list, ACC. Then you do question mark, so you will see what are the list that we or what's the next command. Here it suggests that put 100, then another question mark, question mark. So it will give you what are the next command. Okay, so you have deny, permit, remark. So you choose permit. Then you do another question mark. Okay, permit what? So this is the list, permit of what? Then you choose TCP. TCP. Then still question mark. Next one. Okay, you need to enter the IP address. So here it says that this is the IP address that we need to set up. 172.22.34.64. Still do question mark. Okay. You need to know what is the wildcard. Okay, so for subnet /27. Okay, so use this 0.0.0.31. Okay, so 0.0.0.31. And then still question mark. Paste, do question mark. So you need to choose lah. What host lah? Which host? So you include your host 177.22.34.90.62. So you go here and host 172.22.34.62. Still do the question mark. Then you need to choose EQ. Right? EQ. And FTP. So this is the final command lah that we need to do. Okay, so you go back here and then just check. Okay, access list 100 permit TCP 192.22.34.64.000.31 host 172.22.34.62 EQ FTP. Okay, done. Then also the next part is here. Okay, this is for the ICMP. Then you can end this and show access list. Okay, it should be the same as the one that you have. Okay, extended IP access list 100, then permit TCP 10, 20 permit ICMP and so forth, right? Then you have to also apply the ACL to the correct interface. Here it says that the interface is 0/0, this part lah. So how do you access this? Again, configure terminal, then interface lah. So it's GIG 0/0. Okay. And then IP access group 100 in. Okay. So once you have done that, okay, you can verify it, okay, by 0/0. Okay. And then IP access group 100 in. Okay. So once you have done that, okay, you can verify it, okay, by going to PC, FTP from PC1. So you go to PC1, okay, and then go to desktop, common prompt, okay. So you type FTP 172.22.34.62, okay. And this is that the password should be both Cisco. Okay, so if you're able to connect, okay, mine is okay. Then you type Cisco and Cisco. So now you can do anything on your FTP. And finally, you need to quit. Okay. Then it says that ping from PC1 to PC2. Okay. It should be unreachable. PC1 to PC2 shouldn't have or it should be fail lah, right? So now confirm because the ACL did not explicit permit the traffic. Okay, done on that part. And then this is for the HTTP for the web server, right? The same thing. Just now we configure for the FTP. Now and end first here. And then IP access list or configure first. Configure terminal IP access list, then extend to HTTP underscore only, right? Enter. Then permit TCP 172.22.34.96, right? Say permit. Oh, question mark still have additional. So you need to finish up this one, sorry. So permit TCP 172.22.34.96 0.0.0.15 host 172.22.34.62 EQ www. Okay, World Wide Web. Right? Then permit ICMP 172.22.34.96 0.0.0.15 host 172.22.34.62 for ICMP. Okay. Then you end this. Then show access list. Okay, it should be the same lah. Extend, permit, TCP, permit ICMP, and then extend IPSF for HTTP only, permit TCP, permit ICMP. Okay. And then also need to configure this to the specific interface. So how do you do that? Configure terminal, go to interface. Interface GIG 0/1. Okay. And then IP access group HTTP only in. Right. Okay. Almost done. So now it says that your ping to server, ping from PC2 to server. Okay, so this one should be available. Okay, PC2 to server. PC2 to server should be successful lah. Okay, good. From PC2, open the web browser. So, open your web browser and then go to desktop, then web browser, right? And wait for a while because it's usually a bit longer to load. Then you need to know what is the web server lah. So you enter the IP address for the web server 172.22.34.62. Okay, so now the web server is working, right? Then you from FTP FTP for PC2 to server. PC2 to server, FTP shouldn't be okay. It should be fail lah. FTP, then the same IP address 172.22.34.62. Okay, so it shouldn't be accessible lah with from PC2. Okay, you wait for a while, it will reject lah. Okay, time out. Okay, so with that, you have shown that the whole success journey of your lab too. So if you go to assessment item, everything is already taken. Okay, so please continue with this if you still haven't done it. Right. If you have any problem, do let me know. And I will try to help you lah. Okay, so I'll give you some time for finishing up this. So for those who already finished, you can submit your packet tracer file both lah in EBWise. Okay, and then you can go. Attendance will be counted based on your response or based on your submission. So right now, nobody yet submitted or three already submitted. Okay, so if you done with that, you can go, else you can still stay if you need to discuss anything with me or with your friend, right? But if you opt to leave, you can leave because attendance will be only counted based on your submission. So please continue. If I'm here, you have anything you want to. Okay, Ivan, if you done, you can go. Taufik also, if you done, you can go. Thank you very much. Have a nice holiday throughout this week.